in this lesson, you will learn how to evaluate expressions. So I will demonstrate this by using these two examples. So in example 1, you are asked to evaluate the expression 2x plus 3y, and then you are given the values of the variables as x equals to 3 and y equals to -2. So when you are evaluating expression, you want to replace, whenever you find y, you want to replace it with the expression that you are given. And whenever you find the x, you want to replace that x with the value that you are given. So now, we are going to color code. So it's going to be 2, then 2 multiplied by, okay, the value of x is 3 plus 3 multiplied by -2. So instead of 2x plus 3y, now we have 2 multiplied by 3, because again our x, the value of x is 3, and then 3 multiplied by y. So we replace the y with -2. So if you simplify this, you are going to end up getting 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, plus 3 multiplied by -2, which is -6. So in that case, you get 6 minus 6, which is 0. So the value of the expression in this case is a 0. So for example 2, so example 2 also have 2 variables. So our x in example 2 is -1. So wherever you find x, you replace that x with a -1. And wherever you find y, you replace the y with a -2. Okay. So in this case, so this expression is going to be, okay, so we are going to have -1, okay, so that -1 is raised to the power of 2. So I encourage you, whenever you have exponent which is the raised to the power, you need to please use the parentheses. That will save you from a lot of mistakes. So this is -3, then the value of x again is -1, then plus 7. So in this case now, the value of y is -2, then raised to the power of 3. So now we have already substituted all the values that of the variables that we are given into the expression. So all that we just need now is to simplify. So -1 raised to the power of 2, that means -1 multiplied by -1. So if you use your calculator, so whenever you have negative multiplied by a negative, you are going to get a positive. So 1 multiplied by 1 is going to be 1. So this will reduce to 1. So this is 3 multiplied by -1 is going to be a -3. So because you have also a negative, so it's going to be -3 multiplied by -1. So in this case, you will get a +3. So plus 7, okay, plus 7. Plus 7. So here you have -2 raised to the power of 3. So -2 raised to the power of 3 is -2 multiplied by -2 multiplied by -2. So -2 multiplied by -2, that will give you a +4 multiplied by another -2. So positive multiplied by negative is going to give you a -8. So this will be a -8. Okay. So now we are almost done. So what we have left is just to now simplify further. So 1 plus 3 is going to be equal to 4. Okay. Then plus 7 multiplied by -8 is going to be -56. So this will be -56 plus 4. So that will give us a -52. And that is the answer for this